Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use these Scott's Shop towels and to make them into like a Lysol disinfectant wipe. So this is the one item, a disinfectant wipe, that's almost impossible to find at any store, and we all need it to keep our homes and everything clean and germ free. So I'm just going to jog you through this. The last time I made a video was with paper towels. A lot of you said, hey, you should check out doing it with these shop cloths. And I did it, and you guys were right on the money about it. So this cost me $2.19 over at a Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. I believe a single roll like this at any you know, hardware store or like a Walmart would probably be about $1.99. So we're going to need a roll of that, some multi-surface cleaner. They also sell this for $1 over at the Dollar Tree. And they had a whole bunch when I was there earlier in the week. You're going to need this container also from the Dollar Tree. You could also use like a coffee canister of the same shape if you might have one floating around. But I use these specifically for my homemade Lysol wipes. And I bought that at the Dollar Tree. I actually have two of them. And then just to make sure that I know what's inside of there, I actually put an old label on it too. And then just to show you, you just rip it off of an old one and then just tape it on. It's a pretty easy process. So, and then just so everybody in the household knows exactly what that is, you're going to need like a container to measure out your warm water and the multi-surface cleaner. You're going to need half a cup for the multi-surface cleaner, or you can eyeball it like I did for this video, but it's a pretty easy concoction to whip up. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I did this. So here is the shop paper towel, just opening it up here, and it has a really interesting consistency because it's a lot stronger than a traditional paper towel. And a lot of people make their Lysol wipes with that. And as you can see, it's tough, very tough. I guess they needed to be tough to like, sop up all the grease and that sort of stuff, or like debris from a shop. So I used a serrated knife, and it was just taking me like a really long time to do it. And then my husband showed up and got it done in like 1 second flat. So yeah, he's flexing a little bit there. He's pretty strong. So there it is. There's a little bit of debris, but that will not matter. It's not going to affect your paper towels or your disinfectant wipes. Putting this into the container, it's like this roll was made for this, and you're going to get about 90 wipes, which is a lot. If you consider that the largest one that they sell, I think, has like 75, and it's just under $4. And again, just to push that thing in, it didn't take a lot of effort. And the last time I did it with a regular paper towel, it took a little bit of farting around and fiddling. So there it is. And then with my other container, I'm just going to put the second roll in it as well for the next time, and I'm going to make my concoction as I go. I'm not going to just leave it in there, because this one with the 90, one of these rolls lasts me about like 2 to 3, maybe weeks, maybe a month. Now into this pitcher, I have 3.5 cups of warm water. 3.5 cups. And with this little thing, I have like all the cup sizes on the side of it, so I can just eyeball it right here. So 3.5 cups of warm water and half a cup of my multi-surface cleaner. And I'm just going to eyeball it and then just follow the measurements on the side of the pitcher. Pretty easy to do. And it has this consistency. I don't even need to mix it. See how it just mixed itself? And there it is. So this is a warmer mixture because it's warm water. And in the sink, there it is. And I'm just going to splash all of this over to just sop it all up. And then I'm just going to, after all of this is poured in, I'm going to wait 10 minutes before removing that inner ring, that paper ring that holds the paper towel together. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. So this is 10 minutes later. Look how easy this is, guys. Just remove it very gently. And there it is, one piece. And then on a corner edge, grab your first paper towel. That easy. And so this is a traditional Lysol wipe. This is the more heavy duty one that you can scrub with a bit, dual action. And then this is the homemade one. I did rip it a little bit to try to get that first one out. Sometimes the first one, like any sort of thing, you're going to mess around with it a little bit more because it's the first wipe. And just to show you one of my homemade compared to the Lysol. It's still very strong, a lot of integrity with that shop paper towel. And then just to show them side by side, they are of a very similar size. One's a little bit longer, one's a little bit wider, but it's like very similar. And the way that they clean, it works perfectly. So yeah. So anyhow, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.